Hi, my name is Dayna McLeod, and I am a media and performance artist. I've always had sleep disturbances like nightmares, sleepwalking, night terrors, but I didn't realize their extent and how often they happened until I started recording myself sleeping in 2019. Restless was a video installation made of night vision surveillance footage of my girlfriend MJ and I sleeping for 60 nights at the start of the COVID pandemic in 2020. This was part of an artist residency at the Phi Center here in Montreal. I recorded us sleeping each night and edited together a sort of highlight reel wherever I had a sleep disturbance, which happened about 3 to 7 times per night. So I yell, I gasp, I talk, I scream, I do elaborate arm choreography, get up to check under the bed, check behind and under other furniture while I'm asleep. So sometimes my eyes are open in this footage, but I'm asleep or I'm in the middle of trying to wake up. The Sociability of Sleep residency continues this work with two added elements: the creation of digital collages that represent some of my dreams, and the narration of some of my dreams via video that I've shot of myself when I wake up.
As part of this art project, someone gave me the moon. There was lots of paperwork.
Here I've processed them with avatars to change my appearance. So I'm currently experimenting with these different avatars to see which works best with which dream, like this one, or this drag queen one, or maybe I'm a banana, or a baby, or an alien, or whatever this is. Conceptually, I'm interested in collaborating with my subconscious self as sleeping subject, actor, collaborator, and muse, because, well, capitalism says get to work even if you're sleeping. Am I right? This project also explores my dreams and how constructing them as digital collage fixes them to media as well as to conscious reality, giving them shape and form when they were previously ephemeral, indistinct, cloudy, and sometimes just beyond my grasp. Currently, I'm envisioning an installation in which spectators enter a dark room where they encounter various screens and projections of three elements. The first is the group of videos of me and my girlfriend sleeping.
Oh no.
The second is a group of videos of digital collages that represent my dreams. And the third is a group of videos that are me avatared and telling my dreams. This is certainly something that I need to experiment with over the course of my residency. How do all of these elements work together, and how do they work with the viewer in the space?